Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off web content restrictions on your iPhone. With web content restrictions, you can block all but a specific list of websites that can be accessed, or you can put a block on all adult websites only. To do this, open Settings. Next, tap Screen Time, and then inside of here, choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Before we set any blocks, we have to enable this section. Tap the slider at the top. Now, an important side note here. This option can also block the user from deleting apps on your iPhone. This is something that you might not want to have turned on though. So first, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases, and in here, make sure that all the options are set to allow. If you do notice that after turning on web filtering that you can no longer delete apps, this is going to be why. Now head back to the main menu and then choose Content Restrictions, and then inside of here, choose Web Content. The first option is to have no restrictions at all. Next, you can set a general block on all adult websites. If you want to allow certain websites outside of this block, or if you want to make certain that a website is blocked, tap Add Website at the bottom and enter the site in the section that you want. Finally, if you want to block all web access except for a list that you predetermine, choose Allowed Websites Only. By default, Apple will start you off with a generic list of family-friendly websites. And again, if you want to add another site not listed inside of this list, tap Add Website at the bottom, put a title in the URL, and then hit Done. The website will then be whitelisted. And that's how you turn on or off web content restrictions on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.